In this video, I'm going to be talking about what is dropshipping and how to get started. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, in this session, I'll be exploring the basics of dropshipping and guide you through the steps to begin your own dropshipping business. Let's start with an introduction to dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products online without holding any inventory. Instead, when you receive an order, you purchase the product from a third-party supplier who ships it directly to your customer. This model has gained popularity because it's a low-risk way to start an online business. The key advantages include no need for inventory, lower upfront costs, and the flexibility to sell a wide range of products. Now let's break down how dropshipping works. First, you need to choose a niche and find products to sell. Then you set up an online store, usually through a platform like Shopify. I've got a link in the description where you can sign up for Shopify for $1. And then next, you will partner with a supplier who will handle the inventory and shipping. Once your store is live, you will list the products and start marketing. When a customer places an order, you simply forward it to the supplier, who then ships the product directly to the customer. Alright, so dropshipping offers several advantages, making it an attractive option for entrepreneurs. You don't need to hold any inventory, so there's no need for warehousing, which significantly reduces your startup costs. You can offer a wide variety of products as well, without worrying about stock. Additionally, dropshipping allows you to run your business from anywhere with an internet connection, and it's highly scalable, meaning you can grow your business without worrying about logistics. However, dropshipping isn't without its challenges. Profit margins tend to be lower because you're selling products at a markup from the supplier's price. You're also reliant on your suppliers for product quality and shipping times, which can lead to inventory issues. The market is competitive, and providing excellent customer service can be challenging when you're not in control of the fulfillment process. So, how do you get started with dropshipping? First, you need to research and choose a profitable niche that interests you. Then find a reliable supplier or suppliers who can provide high quality products. Set up your online store like Shopify or WooCommerce, and make sure to optimize your product listings with good images and descriptions. Next, you need to focus on driving traffic to your store through marketing strategies like social media, SEO, and paid ads. And then finally, regularly analyze your sales data and optimize your store to improve conversions. Alright, so when it comes to setting up your dropshipping store, there are several platforms to choose from. So Shopify is one of the most popular options, offering easy integration with various dropshipping apps. There's a link in the description for a free $1 trial. WooCommerce is another great choice, especially if you're using WordPress. BigCommerce and Wix offer robust e-commerce features for product sourcing. You can also use tools like Orbello, which integrates seamlessly with Shopify. Alright, and to succeed in dropshipping, you need to focus on providing excellent customer service, as this can set you apart from the competition. Building a strong brand is also crucial for long-term success. Stay updated with industry trends and adapt your product offerings accordingly. Use data to inform your decisions, and don't be afraid to test and refine your marketing strategies. So dropshipping is a flexible and scalable way to start an online business with lower risk and costs. While there are several challenges, careful planning and execution can lead to success. If you're ready to start your dropshipping journey, now is the perfect time to take the first step.